which will, on completion, extend the electricity supply to many more communities in the state. We are the light of the nation, and things like what we are doing here today will really make us the light of the nation. Thank you very much, and God bless you all.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen. This, the Niger Delta Power Holding Company Limited, has built this 2x60MVA 132, 33 kV substation, and it's being commissioned today, the 24th August 2021, at Agu Awka, Anambra State, for the benefit of all of the people of Anambra State and to the glory of God.
Excusez,
supply to sorry? What's the demand? Oh, it's about more than 65 megawatts. The city alone. City alone. Yeah. Just
Thank you very much.
Because 40 MVA will probably give you less than 30 megawatts, and for the whole Awka. Awka's demand is more than that, and when you add the environs, I mean, Anambra State is almost like one big city, you know, so it's not enough. It was found grossly inadequate. So at the time this project was conceived, but like I mentioned, there were delays, implementation, power proof, a lot of factors. So the project was almost left uncompleted. So when we came in 2016, my management came in 2016, we brought up all these projects and sat with the contractors, resolved all the challenges, technical engineering challenges they have. And then, so we restarted the project.
We were reliably informed that 6 substations are coming up. How's that going to come?
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.